Hey busy crafters, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica and we are making decor for our tier tray. So I started off with going to Hobby Lobby and getting these little house shaped looking plaques. They're like pictures you can hang on the back. They have a little hanger thing on the back. They're normally $8.99, but I got them on sale for $2.24 each, and they have like a Z or a Y or an X or whatever. So what I did is I went and used my folklore chalk paint, and the chalk paint really gives it a texture. So I used that and painted all the way around it, the sides, the front. I didn't do the bottom and I didn't do the back because, you're not really going to see all that unless, once again, you come into the house and you want to start picking things up and everything. So that's on you. Okay, that's on you. But if you wanted to make it to like totally perfect, you could paint the bottom and you could paint the back and make it, beautiful. Especially if it was to be sold, then yeah, I would actually absolutely make it 100% flawless. Well, kind of. Nothing's flawless. So I went ahead and printed out with permanent black vinyl from Paper Studio, and I printed out "The dishes are looking at me dirty again." And I needed a little something else, so I got some buffalo check ribbon that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I put it all the way around it, and it gave it a little bit of pizzazz. It did really well. So we're going ahead and hot gluing that because everybody needs to know how to hot glue apparently. I don't know why I left it in so long, but it is what it is. And like I said, the bottom didn't really have much. Unfortunately, this right here, because the tier tray that I made had higher up walls, I actually had to take these Jenga blocks that I also got from the Dollar Tree and put 3 of them, like 9 down, 2, 4, 6, or 6 of them. Yeah, 6 of them all the way down to lift it up a little bit so that you could actually see it. I ended up getting those little silverware. They're from Ideology. I got them from Joann's. They have 3 forks, 3 spoons, and 3 knives. And this really added a little bit of cuteness to it as well. They are metal, so they kind of can be functional. If you're possibly on a diet, that spoon will be great for soup, and the fork, So they are metal or aluminum or whatever, so they do feel real. And yeah, so I just go ahead and glue that, and that's what it is. So now we're on to DIY number 2, and this little thing I got from the Dollar Tree. It's a little easel, and once again, my handy dandy Cricut. I saw this saying on Pinterest, and it says, "I like my coffee hot like my husband." I cannot have coffee anymore, so that's terrible for me. But I do think that my husband is extremely adorable, and I love him to pieces. So hey, why not? So I went ahead and painted the legs black with the pop color black from Joann's. And I did the tops, the side, and the bottom. And then, of course, the front where you can see, the legs when they are extended out and everything. This, once again, is going into the tier tray that I recently made. It's a 3-tier tray. And it's holding up very well. There's a lot of stuff in it now. And at the end of the video, you'll see like a bunch of different stuff. Even stuff that I put in there that I actually didn't make. But yeah, so we're going ahead and doing that. My phone ended up having too much storage, so it kind of cut off. But it worked out pretty well. Not too shabby. So you see me painting the tops, but I did paint the sides on each one of those legs as well. So now it's all done and ready to go. And there's the sign that I cut off from the Cricut. And this is a shiny, it's kind of like almost like a dry erase board. So it stuck, the sticker stuck to it really well, and it was really easy to peel it off. These are very easy DIYs. They're something that's, easy and quick. And you can still decorate up your house and still make, it look like a little bit higher end. This little project needed something more, so because my kitchen is red and I like a little bit of diamonds, and on a couple other projects I used these same things except for smaller, I went ahead and used these little stickers. They're gems, but they're sticky on the back. And I didn't hot glue them. I just, went ahead and press them down where I wanted them. And then that is for that one. Now we made these 2 little bouquets. I got the little glass jars from the Dollar Tree as well. I got that from Joann's, I believe, or Hobby Lobby. I believe it was. Yeah, Hobby Lobby. I really liked the pattern on the outside. Those little styrofoam tree looking things I also got from the Dollar Tree. So these are all projects that are also on a budget. If you're like, oh, I really like to have this, but they're expensive, well, then make your own. It's easy, it's fun, and you have the sense of pride when you've made something and it's decorating up your house, really nice. So all I did was, put that piece of paper around it and stuck the little thing in there. Those I recently, just a couple days ago, got from the Dollar Tree. And I believe I used 2 whole bushels of these white or cream colored sunflowers on it. Because, sunflowers are great. They can be for summer, they can be for fall, And yeah, so there you go. Just going ahead and making sure that everything is looking pretty good, nice. Another great thing is when you make other projects and you want to show it off and decorate up a little bit, I can use these little floral designs or floral, you know what I'm talking about, bouquets or arrangements, floral arrangements. There you go, that's it. Floral arrangements to decorate up and show off other projects. So I have one that's just all these little cream colored sunflowers, and I did use 2 bushels for them, or 2 bushels, and it turned out really cute, and they're not too tall but tall enough. Like, it looks really cute on the tiered tray. At the end of the video I have everything on another small little video showing everything that we've made today. So yeah, just sticking in the last one. It looks very full, very cute, and nice. So there's that one. And then we are doing the same thing. Those I actually got from Joann's. They were 77% off, so I paid just about nothing for them. As well as the purple ones that are, right above there. Yeah, so basically I'm just doing another little floral bouquet, and it livens up the kitchen. It really does nice. I like color in the kitchen. I like flowers around the house. But because I'm so busy, I have 1 house plant left out of 7 that is hanging on for dear life. And I'm doing everything I can to help it. There's the other ones that I used, and yeah, but I do have 1 house plant out of 7 or 8 that is hanging on for dear life. It's doing very well. Unfortunately, because I do get really busy with multiple different things, my house plant suffered. Sometimes my garden suffers. Those I also got from the Dollar Tree. They're called baby breaths, but I don't remember baby breaths being that big. But hey, whatever. They look really cute in there. And yeah, so I think I used 4 little picks of those on there. 3 picks of the purple. And I think 4 or 5 of the little pink flowers. So yeah, or maybe 5, yeah. And then just fluffing it up, and there you go. So now we're on to DIY number 4. This was really cute. I saw it on Pinterest. I got those from Amazon. I'm actually making coasters out of them. And all I did was print off of my Cricut the little coffee pot and the name Pothead. I should have made it a little bit smaller. Everything fit perfectly except for the P on the pot part. And it went on and came off. Well, when I went the other way, it came off pretty nice because the P wasn't stuck to anything really. But, oh well, it's for my house, and I will, do better if I decide to make these and sell these a little bit better. I got that little skewer from Walmart, I think it is. I'm not sure, so don't quote me. But But I decided that it won't fit in the tiered tray because you wouldn't be able to see it. So I decided to make a little hanger for it. So I took that, cut off a little piece, hot glued it to where it was sticking straight up. Then I did another one. I sanded down all the sides so that there's no wobbly or anything like that to it. Sanded down all the sides, and then I hot glued that piece to the end of the other piece. So it's kind of like, I don't know, a 7 maybe. Yeah, it'll be like a 7 coming off of it. And then you can just hang it on the front. There's everything that I made, plus some. I got those little mice from Hobby Lobby like 3 or 4 years ago. That bell I just recently got on sale for $8.99. And then there's everything. That is the video before. And that is what it all looks like now, all together. I still have some room in the tiered tray to make some more things, so I'll do that later. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.